So students, earlier in the videos we have discussed about the theoretical part of PPC. In this we will see the practically that how there is a shift or rotation of PPC curve. हम लोगों ने उसमें डेफिनेशंस को देखा. उसे देखते हुए हम लोगों ने समझा कि PPC है क्या, उसकी कुछ मान्यताएं थी. But in this graph we will see that how PPC works in real world. So it is not always that it is based on the assumptions of it, that it is always in a still position. It doesn't change itself, but at times PPC also changes its shape and size. So the first point is the shift in PPC is because of change in resources. And there is a subtopic below it, when resources are increased. So we are seeing that good X is taken in x-axis. Good X is taken in x-axis. Here is good X. O X is the x-axis and O Y is the y-axis, and good Y is taken in the y-axis. Here we see that when there is change in resources, the resources of productions are land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. If we have given a little bit of change in any of the production units, that is, if for example we have change in labor, we have increased the labor from 10 to 15. So this 10 to 15 increase in labor will change your PPC curve from AB to A dash B dash. So the subtopic was when resources are increased. So I have given the example that I have increased the resource of labor. When labor has been increased in the production house, your PPC has shifted its position from AB to A dash B dash. So this is the first change in resource factor and shiftation. In the second diagram, we have taken when resources are decreased. First topic was when resources are increased. Now, if my production house is not working efficiently and I want to reduce one of the factor of production, for example, labor, I have decreased my labor from 10 to 8. So this decrease in labor will also shift my PPC curve from given original AB PPC curve to A dash B dash. Here we see that when the resources are decreased, our PPC curve has also shifted itself towards downward. In the upper case, we have seen that when resources are increased, the PPC curve has been upwards. And when resources are decreased, the PPC has been downwards. So this is the rotation of PPC curve due to change in resources. In the next video, I will explain the graphical pattern of change in resource, that is change in technology factor, how it shifts the PPC curve.